Welcome to this guided meditation for emotional alchemy, where we will transform negative emotions into positive energy. Find a comfortable seated or lying down position. Close your eyes, relax your body, and take a deep breath in and gently exhale. As we move through this meditation, allow yourself to let go of any judgments, focusing only on your breath and the sensations within. This is your time to heal, transform, and embrace the flow of emotions with love and compassion. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as you inhale and exhale. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Now, shift your attention to the soles of your feet. Imagine roots growing from your feet, sinking deep into the earth. Feel the earth's energy grounding you, providing stability and support. With each breath, feel more connected to the earth, grounded and at peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension in your body. Let go of any heaviness in your shoulders, neck, and chest. Allow your entire body to relax and sink deeper into stillness. Now, gently bring your awareness to your emotional state. Ask yourself, what emotions am I feeling right now? Without trying to change anything, simply observe the emotions that arise, whether it's frustration, sadness, fear, or anxiety. Acknowledge these emotions without judgment. Visualize these emotions as a swirling cloud of energy in front of you. It may take the form of colors, shapes, or sensations. Allow yourself to notice how this emotional energy feels without attaching any labels to it. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this emotional energy softening and becoming more fluid. There is no need to resist or control it. Just observe and allow it to be. Now, let's begin the process of emotional alchemy. Imagine a soft, golden light forming at the center of your chest. This golden light represents your inner power, the power to transform any negative emotion into love, peace, and understanding. As you focus on this golden light, feel its warmth spreading throughout your chest. With each breath, the light grows stronger, expanding outward to your entire body. Now, gently invite the swirling emotional energy to merge with this golden light. As the emotions merge with the light, imagine them being transformed into a calm, peaceful energy. Feel the negative emotions shifting, dissolving into love, acceptance, and healing. With each breath, allow this golden light to fill you from head to toe. Imagine it washing away any remaining tension or heaviness. As you breathe in, feel this light nourishing every part of you. And as you exhale, feel any emotional burdens being released. Continue breathing deeply, allowing the alchemy to take place. Imagine that the emotional energy is now flowing freely within you, no longer stuck, but fluid, light, and transformed into something positive. You are in control of this energy, and it serves you with love and healing. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, visualize a stream of light flowing from the crown of your head into the sky. This stream carries away any remaining negative energy, sending it into the universe to be transformed into light. As you continue to breathe, feel a sense of lightness and ease within you. The emotions that once felt heavy have now been transmuted into love, clarity, and peace. Now that your emotions have been transformed, repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud, allowing them to resonate deeply within you. I release all emotions that no longer serve me. I trust in my ability to heal and transform my emotional energy. I am at peace with myself and my emotions. I am a vessel of love, strength, and healing. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel these affirmations sinking into your heart, grounding you in your emotional power. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take your time as you reconnect with your surroundings. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you this sense of peace, lightness, and emotional clarity. You have completed the process of emotional alchemy, and you are ready to embrace your day with love and confidence. Thank you for joining me on this journey of transformation. You have the power to heal, transform, and alchemize your emotions at any time. Carry this peaceful energy with you and know that you are always supported. With love and gratitude, Chenzo Holistic Coaching.